We are back with another DIY, and of course I'll have all the products and measurements listed down below. You want to start off with your stove on medium heat, not too high, not too low, and do not walk away from the stove because your wax will burn quickly. And you want to continue to wax as it starts to bubble. You guys will see shortly that it is going to start to bubble up. If you continue to mix the wax, that will prevent it from burning. So continue to mix and you'll start to see it changing colors. When it does change to a light brown color, you want to immediately turn off the stove because that means your wax is complete. So I'll just let you guys go ahead and continue to watch. I was following a YouTube video as I was doing this because this is my very first time doing a sugar wax. This is my very first time waxing myself. So I was trying to just follow a YouTube video, but for me, checking the temperature just wasn't necessary. But to each its own. If you want to go ahead, you can go ahead and do so. And as I said before, you want to continue to mix until you get this consistency and color right here. This was a wax that I used immediately after. I did let it cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I used it right after on my underarms and my bikini area. So that's the consistency right here. And if you can see my iPad in the background, I was following a YouTube video. I did go ahead and wax my underarms. It was successful. My bikini area was very painful, so I only did half, but this is how you do it at home and it's super easy.